During a morning commute in May 1980, disaster struck the Tampa Bay area. A freighter was caught in a dense fog and crashed into the southbound lanes of the Sunshine Skyway Bridge. Part of the link connecting St. Petersburg and Bradenton was instantly severed. 6 cars, a truck, and a Greyhound bus plunged into the waters below. 35 people were killed in one of the worst bridge-related accidents the United States had ever seen. It was the 5th time the Sunshine Skyway had been hit by a wayward vessel.
When they designed the old bridge, they weren't aware or weren't anticipating the change in bow shapes of the vessels that would be passing through that bridge. And it actually was not that that vessel was huge and had the ability to knock the bridge over, but its protruding bow actually chopped the column, the main column, in half, and that's what brought the bridge down.
In the wake of this tragedy, engineers decided to build a new type of bridge, a modern cable-stayed structure, a close relative of the suspension bridge. On cable-stayed bridges, diagonal cables extend from the tower to carry the deck.
Essentially, the cables pick the load from the girder and then place them on top of the pylon and transmit those down to the ground.
More and more, engineers are opting for cable-stayed spans because they require less material and combine strength with lower costs. In the case of the Sunshine Skyway, they designed the new bridge to prevent future disasters. Engineer John Corvin was part of the design team.
We changed the orientation of the bridge. In the old alignment, the ships would have to actually come and make about a 19-degree turn as they went through the main span. And that led to the possibility that a captain could make a mistake. The second thing, we doubled the span length from 600 to 1,200 feet, again, greatly reducing the fact of a boat hitting one of the piers.
Engineers gave it a curved deck with a clearance of 175 feet to let tall ships pass safely underneath. They surrounded the main piers with rocks and protected them with massive concrete islands called dolphins. Like bumpers in a pinball machine, the dolphins prevent large vessels from actually reaching the columns.
The bridge really has become a symbol of Tampa Bay. You see it all over the place. It's a real marriage of form and function, strength and beauty at the same time.